Hello and welcome. Today I want us to see the summary of what we have been doing, and that is to create the Expo app for our boda application. So first we can come here and say let's go step by step. Then we go Expo, and we have Expo documentation, but I just want to look at Expo. And when you come here, you'll see that you get this page whereby it is telling you about Expo and is an ecosystem of tools that help you to develop, review, and deploy. So you can click here to see more, and without wasting time, you can see quick start here, and this is how we can create and set up our environment. So you can just copy that and you come here and you paste it there. So when you paste it there, you want the app to be created inside the border app or border app. So to do so, you just say space and dot, then you click enter, and this is going to install the all files that are required to get started. So you can give it a few minutes, not even a minute, few seconds, and then it is going to be installed.